Come on, Nathaniel. Let's go, Anthony. I love it. Hey, yo. Nice. $300 billion. Leaving it now. Yes. We're just chilling, you know. And I'm thinking, me trying to vlog my own exception. It's turning out. Oh, and it's a different weather today. Alright, let's go, boy. Alright, thank you. Alright, so... $191. Alright, let's go. Come on, Anna.
Mitchell, she's there. The driver is there. Hi, Mitchell. Have a good weekend. You too. Thanks.
Yeah. Alright. Let's go.
Get the fuck off.
Chill out, Chloe. Alright, see you, Chris.
Yeah, you're super thoughtful. That was nice. You noticed everyone like, oh, she might need a little bit more help. Anyway, that was really cool. I hope you have a great weekend.
You too.
Thank you.
Krish,
See you.
have a great weekend, my guy.
You too. Oh god, it's about to, it's like, I know it is. Huh?
When I get home, this.
Okay.
Bye. That's Ethan and Kai. I can't tell the difference from them. They look the same a little bit. Like, don't their names confuse me? Because if you look at Ethan and then I say Kai, I get them mixed up.
Yeah.
And I'm getting sick. Like, what the fuck?
Oh.
That's not my way, right?
I just don't know. I don't know. Honestly, it would depend. Oh, look at that. They out socking.
Hay una perdida.
Huh? He's over there. Yeah, I wait till the bell. Yeah, chill out. What the fuck? She's so annoying. There's Alexis. Where'd she go? Yeah. Wait, let me tell her. That bus driver is so fucking annoying.
What's happening?
You know the one that the gray hair?
Yeah.
She's asking me what bus do I go. I'm like, this one. I'm like, I wait till the bell. She's so fucking annoying. I was just standing there and she's like asking me stupid questions. Bruh, she's so annoying. I swear. I don't know what the fuck is her problem, honestly. What the? Honestly. Hey y'all. Sorry. You know, today's a windy day and it's like 79 degrees, you know, 78. So the thing right now is between so the difference right now, the difference right now is that the difference right now of the temperature is between 70 and 80, so it's 44.10. Dang, I look good in this shot. Let's go. Hey, this is like a good lighting part. Let's go. Good for me. Well, let's try it against the tree. Alright, let's try it against that. The trees are pretty good, right? Yeah. Now, good lighting shot number 2. We're gonna try good lighting shot. This is a very sooner lighting shot one. And today is a Friday, so we're heading towards the weekend. Yay! Good lighting shot between 44.10. You know. Or we can try one between like 44.14. But me, you're trying to raise the camera. Alright, next lighting shot. Alright, what other kind of lighting shots can we get? Like, let's see. What other kind of lighting shots can we get from this scenario? Let's see. get one like without the buses, like in the range part. But sorry guys. By the way, don't worry about my voice. I'm losing it because today, I might be losing my voice a little bit. It's because today, we were playing kickball outside. And, like, we were playing kickball outside and stuff. So, everyone was cheering for everyone along with me. We were cheering on. So that's why. I might be losing my voice for a little bit, but I didn't yell too much, so yeah. So that's why, alright? And the freshman buses are pulling in as we can get them on camera right now. This one's 4417. So we're good with that. I don't know, honestly. I'm kind of picky eater about that. I guess we only have 4417, but I might not be able to do them, so we'll see about that. Yeah, dude. No problem. No? Heck no.
Thank you.
No problem. No problem. So, I have to go to the 300 like you already know. So I have to go to 300, so that's fine. Not trying to rush it, but if it comes to that, then yes. But right now, I'm not trying to rush it, but I kind of have to, if I have to get to where I need to be. And yeah, I'm not sure. There's only one thing. I guess so. It is hot. And honestly, I think because I can try to be out of breath. If that is the case, then yes. But I got a pretty good, some lighting shots. It might rain pretty soon, so yeah. I'm not sure. Let's see, make sure they are here. Where do they go? Wait a minute. Alright, fine. God. Anyhow, I would say less because, yeah. And I got you guys on the next one. Bye.